I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I make my bed after I wake up. I make my bed after I wake up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I prepare breakfast for my family. I prepare breakfast for my family. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I clean the kitchen after the breakfast. I clean the kitchen after the breakfast. I open the windows to get fresh air. I open the windows to get fresh air. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I hang the clothes. I hang the clothes. I take a short break and relax. I take a short break and relax. I cook lunch at home. I cook lunch at home. I watch TV. I watch TV. I help my children with their homework. I help my children with their homework. I clean the living room in the afternoon. I clean the living room in the afternoon. I prepare dinner in the evening. I prepare dinner in the evening. I get ready for bed and change my clothes. I get ready for bed and change my clothes. I go to sleep around 11 p.m. I go to sleep around 11 p.m.